Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are testing a simple high current 12-volt voltage regulator circuit. This design uses the classic 2N3055 power transistor for current handling. A Zener diode stabilizes the base voltage to keep the output near 12 volts. The resistor limits base current and protects the transistor from overload. Input voltage can vary, while the output remains relatively stable. This circuit accepts DC input from 12.5 volts up to 25 volts. Despite input changes, the output stays close to 12 volts. As current increases, transistor temperature rises quickly. Voltage regulation depends on transistor characteristics and load current. Power dissipation can be estimated using this formula. Two 12-volt LED loads are connected to verify output stability. The test demonstrates how the regulator behaves under load. This is a practical example of a simple linear power supply stage. The transistor absorbs excess voltage as heat. Higher input voltage means more heat dissipation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.